Advertise on OfferUp. In this video, we are going to learn how to advertise on OfferUp. So let's get started. Number 1. Optimize your listings. Ensure that your listings have clear and attractive photos, detailed descriptions, and accurate pricing. Listings with better information and appealing visuals are more likely to attract buyers. Number 2. Promote features listing. Some platforms offer feature listing option to increase visibility. Check if OfferUp provides any premium or featured listing services that you can use to boost your ad. Number 3. Price compatibility. Competitive pricing can make your listings more attractive to potential buyers. Research similar items in your area to determine fair and competitive prices. Number 4. Regularly update listings. Refresh your listings by updating them regularly. This can boost their visibility in search results. Number 5. Respond promptly. Be responsive to inquiries from potential buyers. OfferUp may consider response time and activity levels in its algorithm. Number 6. Use the OfferUp app. Utilize the OfferUp app to its full potential. Engage with the community, participate in discussions, and explore the features that may enhance your selling experience. That's how you can simply advertise on OfferUp.